Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through setting up your UNiDAYS student account to unlock all exclusive discounts just for students. I'll break down each step, share some insider tips, and cover common mistakes you want to avoid. So let's jump in. First off, a quick intro into what UNiDAYS is all about. UNiDAYS is a free platform that partners with top brands to provide student discounts on popular items, like clothing, tech, and even subscriptions. To qualify, you just need to be a current student at an eligible institution. Let's get your account set up. Click sign up in the top corner and choose your country and institution. If you're studying online or at a lesser known school, make sure that your institution is accredited. Otherwise, UNiDAYS may not recognize it. Enter your student email and address. The email must be issued by your school, like .edu for US students. If you don't have one, check your school's IT department to set it up. Create a secure password for your account, then click Verify Student Status. You'll receive a verification email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. If it doesn't arrive right away, check your spam or junk folder. Now you'll have to upload your ID. You can either upload your ID card or upload a document. It must have your name, a valid date, and the name of your school, college, or university. Once confirmed, you're ready to browse and access discounts. Always keep your account information updated, especially if you change schools. Download the app, it's super convenient to have your discounts ready to go on your phone. And check for limited time deals on your UNiDAYS dashboard. You might find exclusive seasonal discounts or flash sales. If you don't have access to your student email, reach out to your school's admin or IT support. And if you have account access issues due to graduation, remember that your UNiDAYS account is only active while you're a student. If you're about to graduate, you might be eligible for a graduate status to extend your access for a limited time.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.